Outside it's beautiful. It's all green. It's also easy to speed on this highway here. And cops usually have speed traps, like over there under the bridge. So you have to watch your speed. Otherwise you get a ticket. And they're expensive. But sometimes when I want to speed, I turn on the GPS because it picks up the speed traps. And then it alerts you in real time. And then you can slow it down way before you get to where the cop is hiding. You're watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Turn notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video, so you don't miss out. I post every day. See a beautiful view. To my left, that's a Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. Some construction on the bridge crossing the Minnesota River. Over here, I'm crossing the Mississippi River. Now I'm in St. Paul. Alright, thank you so much for driving with me here. Hopefully you enjoyed the ride and you enjoyed the video. You can leave a comment, but be kind. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. See you on the next video. Peace out.